That's pretty close, eh?
Yeah. We're itchy, we're tired, we're sweaty, we're dusty. We finished the main house and office, but we still have the mudroom and the guest bedroom to do. It's pretty time consuming with having, you know, to measure and cut everything exact. It looks pretty professional, I think, if you look at it. Tomorrow I will finish putting in the insulation. We have somebody coming to help put in the floor joists with Kevin, so it'll be a productive day tomorrow, hopefully. Hopefully this will look very different in a couple days.
Just caught me right in the right moment, eh?
I did. We have 3 joists left to hang, which is very exciting because like this went so fast today. I'm very impressed. Very last floor joist.
Last? Oh, you're filming?
I am.
We're gonna do it together here.
Very last one. There's officially a reason to crawl in the crawl space. And that would be my floor joists. It is floor day, which is very exciting because we're putting flooring on. Well, not real flooring, but like subfloor. Okay, give me a job. I want to work today.
Okay. I don't know if you want to vacuum out the crawl space any better or if you're okay with it, but there is some spots that we planed a little bit this morning, so.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I see.
I don't know if you want to go around and do one final
fun job.
A fun job?
Yeah, I want a fun job.
I don't know.
Can I glue?
You can glue, but then
what?
I'm trying to stay ahead
then you have no job.
doing the sheeting.
Can I bring some of this over?
Yeah, you can. They're heavy though.
Okay, you're right. These are very heavy. How do you see when you carry these things?
Girl, can I show you how you got it there?
Yeah, I probably shouldn't rest it on that little lip though, hey?
If you, here, let's flip it up for you this way. If you flip it up on that, so let that end down.
Oh, yeah.
If you flip it up like this, and if you grab it, like, I usually grab like this, like that.
Okay.
Okay?
Let's see.
Like that, yeah.
Oh my God, that's heavy. Okay, I don't like it. Ugh.
Yeah, it is a little bit. It's a little bit awkward.
Okay.
But,
so.
And then we want to put that over there.
But this, we want the. What is this called?
So we want the tongue up.
Tongue up on that.
And the groove down, and we want it upset just like those sheets are.
Yeah, so it's got to flip around that way.
So I'll show you. If you grab it like this, I'll show.
Yeah.
So grab it like that.
And then you're gonna. Okay. I'm not gonna do that. Half of the floor is done, which is very exciting. I just had to go pick up some more of the floor glue and some more nails. And now we are ready to rock. Well, these guys were working the whole time, but now it's just Kevin and I again. So yeah, we're gonna get things done, and then I'm gonna have a dance hall party, a dance floor party. Maybe not, probably not. Too tired. Actually, not too tired. See these two new machines? We have to learn how to drive them. So that is our weekend plans right now. Possibly just a floor party for two. Should we have a floor party for two, just the two of us?
Floor party tonight?
Yeah.
Floor party.
Okay, floor party. Woo-hoo.
So all the way along the edges
Yeah.
into this piece,
Yeah.
every 4 inches, you need a nail.
Okay, I can do that.
Yes, you can. I know, it's perfect for you.
Oh yeah. Check out this gun. Starting from here, and I just go up.
Every 4 inches?
Yeah.
Woo! Okay.
Here, I'll show you something. These guns, if you hold the trigger, but you got to really be careful, because if you ever fall and hit something,
Yeah.
like, it'll shoot.
Okay.
But if you hold the trigger, you
Yeah.
can go along like this.
Okay.
Like that.
Yeah. So just don't trip and fall. Shoot myself in the face. Got
That's
it.
right.
Whoa, I did double.
Oh, I did double again.
Yeah, you want to just tap it, like tap it and lift it up.
Oh, okay. Fun stuff. Fun stuff.
I knew you'd like this. Last night,
Yeah?
when I sent the videos of the Bobcat, like me driving the Bobcat,
Yeah?
I think my brother Mark was a little jealous.
Oh, was he?
Like he could really
You
use
could use
something.
one.
Yeah.
Well, dating the wrong girl then.
I could go around and hammer in all these other little nails, I guess, too.
Yeah, if you want to do that, I'm gonna keep going on this blocking. So we've
Okay.
only got 2 more rows of blocking to do. If we can get the blocking in, and then if we can get these sheets notched out here.
They're still fighting, doing some firefighting up there.
Yeah, they're getting hot spots probably.
Look.
Okay, 14 3/4 on this end,
Okay, 14
and 3/4.
3/4. 14 3/4.
Okay, this one, 8 3/4.
8 3/4. Let's see. 14 or 1/16. Sometimes cutting right on the line is tricky. Now I'm going to be a 16th too short. 16th over or 16th too short. Yep. Now I'm 14 5/8.
Sometimes I'm like really good at this.
And other times the width of the blade trips me up. What are the tricks? Sharp pencil and cut to the right of the line. Okay, a perfect 8 3/4.
Woo!
This one we're just gonna call close enough. Okay, I was thinking we were like almost done, but we've done 5 rows and we have 4 rows left. And we have to put blocking in as required by my very picky engineer. Sorry, Anthony, if you're watching. You do great work. Maybe too good, some would say. So this is what I cut yesterday, is like 155 pieces. So all of these gotta go in here as required by engineer, right?
Yeah, and
Yeah?
all the joints.
All the joints. So everywhere a plywood, all the sheathing joints. Everywhere the plywood, which is not normal?
No.
No. My house is special though. Who wants to be normal when you could be extra? But it's good. It's looking good. We also had these like crazy 3-inch and 0.148 diameter nails as well, which is why I had to go in and hammer a bunch of them because like they just don't shoot out of the gun super nice. It's a lot of work. Building a house is definitely a lot of work. Here's one that I was talking about. Like one of these guys here. So I should get my hammer and hammer that in. But I've definitely been given the easier jobs today, which I mean, I kind of complained about in the beginning, but then when I realized I can't actually lift those sheets of plywood. Oh my God, that's heavy. Okay. Yeah, I'm okay. I'm okay doing the easier stuff today. Yeah, I'm ready.
5 3/8.
5 3/8. Got it. 5 3/8. So. Will it be perfect? Ooh, perfect. Perfect. You just love that spider.
I do. Halfway, so the sheet's gonna go halfway on this. So we're gonna go halfway on there.
This is going in the sunroom.
Yeah, these are
Some of my salvaged old grows. Okay, we have one wall of the sunroom up, like partially up. And I think we're gonna call it quits for today, maybe go for a swim, and we'll do a few more things this weekend. But actually our goal this weekend is to just play with these 2 new toys that my dad delivered on loan from Saskatchewan. So that I think is our weekend plans, right? Kevin's really excited to learn. No, use the bobcat and the digger.
well, yeah.
Yeah,
Kevin's weekend of my life.
Kevin keeps saying it's going to be the best weekend of his life. He's quite excited to use
I'm
these.
gonna no longer be carpenter Kevin. I'm gonna be machine operator Kevin.
Machine operator Kevin is in, carpenter Kev is out for the weekend. Yeah, anyways, that's it for this week. Next week, hopefully we'll have all the walls up. Maybe? Is that optimistic? I don't know, but we're going to hope for next week all the walls up.